First mistake that people quite often do with these questions is think, look, I've got 2x squared here, 2x squared here, I can just cancel them. No, you cannot do that. You could do it if you had 2x squared, and you were like multiplying by, say, 13x and x, then yeah, you can cancel them out because you can divide top and bottom by 2x squared. But here, if you divide top and bottom by 2x squared, you also have to divide each of these terms by 2x squared, and that's going to get really, really messy. So how can we do it? Well, the hint is here really. We need to make it so that we are multiplying things together, not adding them, and then we can cancel down. And that basically means we need to factorize the top and factorize the bottom. Not particularly nice because they are quadratics with a 2 in, both of them, but we need to be able to do this. So I want to factorize, let's look at the top first of all. 2x squared plus 13x plus 12. Well, I know if this is going to factorize, and it's going to because of the way it's going to simplify and everything, I just know it will, then I'm going to need a 2x and an x, or the opposite way around. But that's the only way I can get my 2x squared. I then need two numbers that multiply to give 20, and they're going to both be positive because this is positive, so they're either both positive or negative, but this is positive. So it's just a useful little thing. You can avoid worrying about negatives, for example. You can just focus on the ones that are important. So a number that jumps out at me is just to try 4 and 5. I'll just try it this way around. It may or may not work. And then by the side, work out what that would give me. I'd get 8x here. I'd get 5x there. And actually, I've just fortunately stumbled across the answer. I can stop there. I know it works. I factorized the numerator expression. Similar for the bottom one. Now, at this point, I think I'm in a really good place because they've kind of told me the answer even. They've told me I'm going to get x plus a, and I've got an x plus a, and on the bottom I'm going to be left with an x minus b. So I'm going to guess that this is going to be a plus 5. I won't write it in for the moment, but I'm just going to go for it as my first little starting point, because especially since it's a factor of minus 10. Now here, I've got minus 10, so I need two things that multiply to give minus 10, and they're going to sort of interact in such a way that I get a positive thing here, but this is negative. So this one will have to be negative, and if this one is positive and vice versa. So let's just try minus 2. Then I'd get minus 4x. I'm just showing little bits of working alongside. I'd get plus 5x. I do get my plus x overall, so I'm good. And this is great because I can then cancel these out because they are multiplying, and I'm going to be left with x plus 4 divided by x minus 2, a much simpler expression to deal with, and that's it.